If you are going through menopause and specifically dealing with hot flashes, poor sleep, mood swings, weight gain, feeling inflamed, or you are told that you have weak bones, then this simple bedtime drink, which is made by natural ingredients, but it is science backed to rebalance your hormones, improve your sleep, reduce inflammation, plus improve your metabolism all at the same time. So stay with me till the end because you want to know exactly how to make this drink and use it properly so you can get the maximum health benefits. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve their chronic diseases by making personalized functional medicine plans. So today I want to talk about menopause. Several females are going through menopause and they have this big question, what they can do specifically to keep their body healthy during this transition time. A lot of females have been told that menopausal symptoms are normal and they cannot do much except for taking external hormones. Well, let me tell you this today. That is not true. There are natural herbs and ingredients that nature has given us that can keep your body healthy during this menopause time. And also simultaneously, if you are going through any menopausal symptoms, they can help you also. So let me share with you this special 1 cup drink. The recipe of it I prepared on my own by looking at research of what natural ingredients can help menopausal women. This drink is specifically helping for women who are looking for natural ways, first of all, to support their bone health, because as you know, during menopause, bones get weaker. The second thing is that if you have poor sleep because of hot flashes, or you are waking up at 3 a.m. in the night and unable to go to bed, or you have stubborn belly fat which just doesn't go away whatever you try, or you have mood changes like you feel stressed out or anxious, then the ingredients in this drink is going to help support all of these things. So now let me first share with you the ingredients in this drink and how they can actually help you, and then I'm going to tell you the exact recipe and more importantly what is the right way and right time to consume it. The first ingredient over here is flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of my favorite foods, specifically for menopausal women. The reason being, flax seeds have a natural compound called lignans, which research shows it interacts with estrogen receptors of your body. It is basically your natural hormone rebalancer. Now, the good part is that flax seeds themselves do not have any estrogen, so you are not getting any hormone. But research shows by interacting with estrogen receptors in your body, it typically will help in hot flashes, reducing inflammation, rebalancing hormones, improving your mood. That's the reason flax seeds are an important ingredient of this drink. Now, one important thing to know, you can only use ground flax seeds. Do not use whole flax seeds because your body cannot digest it and you are not going to see any benefit from them. The second ingredient over here is saffron. Yes, you might have heard of saffron as a spice, but what you don't know is that saffron plays a very significant role in reducing inflammation in your brain. Specifically, it rebalances your brain hormones, so it reduces irritability, it improves the sleep quality, and specifically can improve that 3 a.m. waking up in the night. So that's the reason saffron, again a lesser known spice, can be really helpful for menopausal women for various reasons. And you only need 2 to 3 strands of saffron only in this drink. The third ingredient over here is sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are the hidden star in that drink. We are not talking about sesame seeds for menopausal women. While sesame seeds help menopausal women in several ways, sesame seeds have more calcium than milk, and we know that weak bones are a major problem in menopause. So to keep those bones healthy, sesame seeds can be a game changer. Along with that, they also have high amount of magnesium, zinc, and also lignin compounds, which are again minerals which not only improves your bone density but again helps regulate your nervous system too. So that's the reason sesame seeds are an important part of this drink. The last ingredient over here is cinnamon. Most of the women, when they start entering their menopause, their metabolism slows down. That's the reason they will gain weight or they will find it very difficult to lose weight. Cinnamon improves your insulin sensitivity, also boosts your metabolism. And by supporting your metabolism, it also reduces the sugar cravings. So cinnamon is very important over here because first of all, it reduces inflammation. Second of all, it improves insulin sensitivity so you don't gain weight. And by improving your metabolism, it can actually help you in losing that stubborn belly fat. And also, cinnamon makes this drink taste better also. Alright, now you know all the ingredients of this drink are working at different pathways and different things so that it can support the overall menopausal body. Now let me share with you how to exactly prepare this drink and how to consume it. So to prepare this drink, you need 1 cup of warm almond milk or coconut milk. Then to this almond milk, you add 1 teaspoon of ground flax seeds. Again, it is very important to add only ground flax seeds and not whole flax seeds. And then you add half a teaspoon of ground sesame seeds into it. After that, you add 2 to 3 strands of saffron and just a pinch of cinnamon. You don't need a lot of cinnamon, just a pinch is enough. Then you stir all of these ingredients really very well and you let it sit for the next 4 to 5 minutes. The reason being, all the antioxidant compounds, specifically from saffron, takes 4 to 5 minutes to get dissolved in this drink. And you do not want to drink it immediately because then the saffron doesn't release those antioxidant compounds and you do not get the complete benefit of the drink. What is the best time of consuming this drink? The best time to consume this drink is actually 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. The reason being, all of these ingredients start working in background during the night time to rebalance your hormone, to reduce inflammation, as well as improving your metabolism. So when you wake up in the morning, you feel fresh, you feel energized, as well as you wake up with a better mood also, because your sleep quality was much better than before. Now, one important thing to know over here, this is a natural drink. This is not a medication. So you do not expect any result in 1 to 2 days. Consistency will be the key over here. So you use it consistently every night for 1 to 2 weeks. And then you are going to start noticing a difference. The first difference you are going to notice is that your sleep quality is much better. When you wake up in the morning, you will feel a little bit better energy, that you are well rested. Along with that, you're also going to notice during the day that your mood is much more stable. You're going to feel less anxious. You will have less food cravings, as well as you will also feel inflammation and bloating also reducing in your body. These are natural ingredients which can help you support in your menopausal symptoms. So this drink, which is science backed, has natural ingredients which you can start making at home tonight itself, is going to help support your menopausal symptoms. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting these health tips in the future also. As well as share this video with others who might benefit from this information. So if you are that person who is going through menopausal symptoms, I will like you to give this drink a try for the next 1 to 2 weeks and share in the comment section what difference you feel in your body. This is it from my side. I will see you later. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.